Guys, happy morning sa inyong lahat. Today's vlog, I'm gonna show you again our dinner time. So today is September 4, which is Thursday at 5:28 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're taking our dinner now. We are early eating, so kasi we always follow yung 2 hours before bedtime dapat nakakain tayo, guys. So I'm gonna show you the food that I prepare for our dinner today. So here, ayan siya, I cooks torta, talong. Of course, may sasawan tayo na sibuyas na may kamatis. And then, my brother gave me a tokwat baboy daw. So, ayan guys. Hopefully, medium na parami ang kanin. Wala pag ganyan marasarap. So, ayan yung aking anak. And the other one, she was there. Siyempre, ayan guys. Nakain din yan. So there. Si Habi wala pa. So parating pa lang yun guys. So, manta mo guys. Sarap nito. Samahan niyo ako guys. Tara, kain tayo. Yeah, may adobo rin pala. Chicken adobo as usual. Hindi kami mapag-pork eh. Lagi lang kami chicken. Maybe yung pork namin is once a week lang. Chicken, pang luto ng manok, and then fish, then vegetables. Yung kahapon, kumain lang kami ng chicken na inihaw na manok. Tapos yung tira-tira, hinalo ko sa adobo. Sarap guys. Ang sarap. Grabe. Yan natin itong takwat baboy na yung brother. So yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And thank you for all who subscribe on my YouTube. Love you all.